Is your monkey thirsty? He's thirsty, yeah? Oh, he needs a love. He needs some love. Oh, now your knee's thirsty. Yeah, when I came in here, you were giving your monkey a bottle, and you give him a big hug. Oh, and now you're thirsty, huh? Oh, he's thirsty again. Oh, does he need to be burped now? Does he need to be burped? Oh my goodness, so cute. Aww. Aww. You're such a good monkey caretaker. Yeah, can you say bye-bye? I'm gonna turn off the camera. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Aww.